we got rain and much more.
A little too much. We needed this much rain, but not in 24 hours. We needed over like 2 months. So it's good to have the rain, but a lot of it running off with how dry the ground is. Not good to have that much rain when you're as dry as we've been lately. Still some ongoing lightning right now, but good to see the I-40 bridge again. It's been a couple hours since we made out that view, just from the visibility being so low with all the heavy rain. And the cold front has really sped up. For a lot of the day today, the front itself was stalled over north central Arkansas, and we've had these rounds of showers and storms. We obviously had that round early in the afternoon, or early in the day, more mid to late afternoon, kind of that 3 to 6 p.m. window. Cleared out for a couple hours, and then storms filled back in all across central Arkansas as the front began to move toward us. That really ramped up the slow-moving heavy thunderstorms. These are rainfall totals, radar estimates over the last 24 hours, but honestly, a lot of this rain, probably about 80% of all these rainfall totals you see here, fell today and really in the last 6 hours. So you're approaching 8 inches in spots in northern St. Francis County, southern Cross County. Widespread flooding, some roads impassable. We've had nearly just as much rain in Shelby County, upwards of 6 inches in a lot of spots. That has produced widespread street flooding. The good news again is that the front has begun moving again. I know it's still raining heavily in spots, but this really improved in a hurry across eastern Arkansas. The front itself is going to be right in here, kind of this tail end of this, all the way up to just north and west of Jackson. That caught up with everything and shoved all the rain that was in Cross County and St. Francis County down to the south and east, and it's now through DeSoto County and getting into Tunica County. So I think we'll start to clear things up pretty quickly around Shelby County as the front continues to move south and east. Still raining in eastern Shelby County. It's dry for the first time in a while, aside from some light rain and sprinkles around the city. And again, we'll continue to see some decent improvement. Still raining heavily south of 269 in DeSoto County. So Hernando, Cockrum up to about Lewisburg, spots that had tornado warnings at various points over the last hour and a half or so that we're covering for you here on Channel 3. Heavy rain over into Marshall County and extends all the way back into northern Tunica County as well. More heavy rain over towards Holly Springs. This was that leading edge of that storm that was responsible for those couple of the tornado warnings that came out between 8:30 and 10 o'clock this evening. Now just very heavy rain, and they've allowed the severe thunderstorm warning to expire as well. So there's no ongoing severe warnings anywhere in our viewing area. If we happen to get any additional severe warnings, which is a very low likelihood, but not impossible, it would be from all this activity moving into North Mississippi or deeper into North Mississippi, down along the 278 corridor. You're in a bit of a lull now. Clarksdale all the way over to Oxford, no rain at all. But this next batch of heavy storms is coming in from the north. And you notice how it's, again, yes, moving south, but the individual storms are moving west to east. If this slows down at all, you could also get into a situation with some potential localized flash flooding. There's light rain further to the north, light to moderate rainfall up towards Dyersburg. Not going to last much longer. It's raining back towards Blytheville and Golden Lake. Not going to last much longer either. This is all clearing up in a hurry. So all of us quieting down overnight. It'll be a much quieter start to the day tomorrow with temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. But we're not going to be warming up much. How do you know the front went by? Look at the wind. North wind at 7 a.m. That's going to start to dry us out as well. So all the uncomfortable high humidity, the mugginess, that's all getting wiped out over the next 24 hours. Should feel awesome by tomorrow afternoon. Upper 60s, low 70s, cool. Yes, still some cloud cover, but very little in the way of rainfall. We may squeak out a spotty shower at times tomorrow, but the rain chance not more than 10%. And temperatures will just hang in the 60s all day long. Maybe a spotty shower tomorrow evening, but nothing in terms of the heavy rain coming back at us at all at any point in the next 7 days. The next best bet for a few showers would be late Friday into Friday night, mostly south of I-40, but it's not going to be heavy rain. That's a quick moving system, and it ushers in a great air mass for the weekend. Zero rain chance Saturday and Sunday, tons of sunshine and pretty comfortable temperatures as well. Rain coming to an end. It'll be sooner if you're in areas like the city and further north. Further south across North Mississippi, probably a couple more hours, but everybody, it ends overnight. 64 degrees for a low tonight. Tomorrow afternoon, kind of a mix of clouds, a little bit of sunshine here and there. Very low rain chance and only upper 60s, low 70s. And we're in some cooler temperatures the rest of the week into early next week. So we've got very comfortable air, even some 40s at night, Steph. So maybe a jacket there on Sunday morning, but it should be a great weekend. And most importantly, much needed dry weather. Something that a few days ago, say we don't want dry weather. Now we do, with after all the rain that's rolled through.
Yeah, we had enough tonight.
That's right.
Thank you, Tyler.